Raise money for me. They think I am broke. No, I am not broke.
Yani unanyanduaga nani? Hao wote unanyanduaga hawezi kusaidia kulipa rent.
Sue Gacabi na Karen Nyamu ni mang'ethanira o ringi ni undu wa viral video cia Karen Nyamu alleged ati ni arakĩingatagwo muciĩ gwake ni undu wa kwaga mbeca cia kuriha rent. This whole issue began on November ya mwaka wa 2023 ugituika Karen Nyamu at the time ni aingatagwo muciĩ gwake tondu rent yake yari 385,000. At the time Mwangi Muthiora had posted about the drama, but andu matiakorirwo magipay much attention. Ndeto ici igicokereria magatheti-ini ringi muthenya wa ira ugituika ati rent ya Karen Nyamu ya Harunda Home yambatirite nginyagia milioni 1.25. Sue Gacabi guikaine kwaga cama na Karen Nyamu onekana kurakario ni Nyamu after she appeared on an interview kuria gwa K24.
No, they should not be concerned. Yesterday I got people wanting to raise money for me. They think I am broke. No, I am not broke. Thank you for the concern. I actually got some contributions on my phone, and I am thankful to Kenyans, but no, I'm fine. I don't need it right now.
Sue Gacabi onekanire kurakara ni ati Karen Nyamu with her status no age nginyagia murata ona umwe ungikorwo ukimurugamirira na kumuhumba thoni ciake. Ndeto ici akigeragia gucikana. Sue akorwo akiuria maita maigana ona ni ati Karen Nyamu atakiri nginya murata umwe ungimuruta thoni ici. Ndeto ikorirwo igituma andu makorwo makiuria ciuria makiuria who are Karen Nyamu's friends. Ino iri ndumiriri iria Sue Gacabi akorirwo akimundia Nyamu nayo.
You betrayed our Gachagua. Sasa wewe tafuta kororia akusaidie tu, tafuta tu kororia. Na fanya na kuonaga na mpaka na akina nani hao ma senators wengine na yani hawezi msaidia gai. Ebu akusaidie tafadhali ulipe rent. Unajua uko na watoi. Si tungekusaidia lakini we don't have time for that. We uli to betray sana, uli to